Hello guys, welcome back to our IoT learning series for BTech CSC IT students. In today's video, we are reached the unit 6, the last chapter, recent trends and the future of a smart sensor. This is one of the most exciting topics because it connects the technology with our daily lives and future innovations. We will first explore the latest trends in the smart sensor and how they are becoming a part of our home, cities, healthcare. Then we will see how sensor architectures are evolving with advanced materials. We will discuss how AI and machine learning are changing how sensors operate. Lastly, we will look at Industry 4.0 applications and what lies ahead for the IoT sensor technology. So stay tuned and let's dive into the future of smart sensors together. At first, emerging trends in the smart sensor for daily life application. Sensors or smart sensors have rapidly integrated into our daily life applications, ranging from smart watches to smart homes. Wearable devices now monitor heart rate, oxygen levels, activity patterns using advanced sensors. In home, smart sensors automate lighting, security, temperature control based on real-time condition. Environmental sensors detect air quality, toxic gases, noise levels, ensuring healthier living spaces. Smart agriculture uses sensors to monitor the soil moisture, crop health, and weather conditions for precision farming. In healthcare, wearable biosensors and implantable devices continuously track vital signs. Smart cities deploy the IoT sensors for parking the assistance, collision alert, okay, traffic management, pollution control, public safety. These are automobiles use sensor. This growing demand for real-time context-aware sensors is driving innovation in IoT sensor systems. So as a result, smart sensors are transforming every day living into smart living. So evolution of sensor architecture and miniaturization. Modern sensor design has witnessed a shift towards smaller, faster, and more efficient architecture. Traditional bulky sensors are being replaced by miniaturized MEMS, micro electromechanical system, and NEMS, nano electromechanical systems. These tiny sensors can now be embedded in wearables, medical implants, and industrial machines. Flexible and stretchable sensors are also emerging for use in clothing and skin contact application. Sensor architecture now integrate signal processing, wireless communication, and power management circuit on a single chip. This integration reduces the size, power consumption, system complexity, etc. The use of advanced materials like the graphene, organic polymer has further enabled the compact and highly sensitive sensors. Energy harvesting techniques like solar charging help to power the remote sensors. As architecture evolve, cost-effective mass production methods like inkjet printing, roll-to-roll manufacturing are also gaining attention. Together, these advancements are redefining how sensors are designed and deployed. So, the role of AI and machine learning in the smart sensor. AI and machine learning are significantly enhancing the smart sensor performance and decision making. Traditionally, sensors only collect data, but now AI algorithm analyze the patterns and make the prediction locally. This approach reduces the need for continuous and cloud connectivity and speed up the response time. Machine learning models helps in anomaly detection, predictive maintenance, and real-time event classification. Edge AI sensor integrate the machine learning model directly to the sensor hardware, enabling on-device intelligence. In healthcare, AI-enabled sensors can detect the abnormal heart rhythms or predict the health risk. A smart surveillance system use AI-powered cameras to identify the threats and suspicious activities. AI also improves the sensor calibration, accuracy, and data reliability over time. The combination of AI with sensor ensures smarter, context-aware, adaptive IoT systems. This is rapidly transforming the industries from manufacturing to smart homes and healthcare. IoT sensors innovation and application in the Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 represents the next phase of industrial automation powered by IoT, AI, and big data. In this smart manufacturing era, sensors play a crucial role in monitoring machines, production lines, and logistics. Vibration sensors and thermal cameras help to predict the equipment failures before they occur. RFID sensors and smart tags track the assets, inventories, and supply chains in the real time. We see in the shopping market. Sensors combined with AI driven analytics offer the predictive maintenance, reducing the downtime and cost. Smart robots and automated guided vehicles AGVs rely on proximity and motion sensor for navigation. Environmental sensors monitor air quality, temperature, and humidity in factories. Energy management sensor optimize the power uses and resource efficiency in the industrial plants. Wireless sensor network enable the large scale monitoring without heavy cabling infrastructure. These innovations are creating connected, efficient, and you can say safer industrial ecosystem. So Industry 4.0 is incomplete without intelligent IoT sensors at its core. So future advancement in the IoT sensor technology. The future of IoT sensor lies in making them smaller, smarter, and most self-sufficient. Next generation sensors will feature AI at the edge, enabling the local data processing and instant decision making. Energy harvesting sensors that draw the power from light, heat, and motion will become common in remote areas. Quantum sensors with ultra high sensitivity will enable the breakthrough in the medical imaging, navigation, and space exploration. Graphene based and biocomposition sensors will be used for real time health monitoring and environmental sensing. Future sensor will form dense mesh network for seamless multi-point data collection. Augmented reality, virtual reality devices will use advanced motion and eye tracking sensor. Innovation in the 5G connectivity and low power wireless protocol will boost the IoT sensor efficiency and coverage. Cybersecurity for sensor and network will become a major research focus. The journey ahead promise the intelligent, adaptive, and highly connected smart sensor ecosystem. And that concludes today's insightful session on recent trends and future of smart sensor. We covered how smart sensors are transforming the daily life application and industrial processes. We discussed the evolution of sensor architecture and the role of AI and machine learning. Then we explored the Industry 4.0 innovation and the future direction of sensor technology. I hope this video helped you to visualize the exciting potential of the IoT sensor in the coming years. So if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more IoT, tech, and smart sensor lessons. See you in our next video. Until then, stay connected, stay curious, and keep learning.